Hi guys, and welcome to another unboxing and first impressions. Now this one is very special. To set the backstory, this is me getting a dream watch that has been my dream for the last 25 years. When I was a kid, I really was into watches. I liked them, but I couldn't afford any of them. My friends had basic G-Shocks. I never had a G-Shock. I had a G Super Sharp watch, which was like a copy of a G-Shock, and I'll probably put a picture somewhere around here. It had a module that was very similar to the DW290, but it was in the body of a 6900 or a 6600, because back then the DW6600 appeared. This I saw in a store when I was going to my school, and it was way more expensive than the DW6600, which I already couldn't afford, so I knew this is just a dream, and my first true grail watch. And it took me 25 years to hunt one down and buy it, because once I got some money, these weren't available, and I've always been, going through eBay and all, and I would find them and then I would decide not to get it right now, but this time it kind of broke me and I had to have it. So let's open the package and see what's what. And here I already ordered, and they both arrived at the same day. I ordered a strap because this one is not on the stock strap. So let's cut this thing open and see what exactly I got. Okay, here's the package. Okay, this has been packaged quite well. So after 25 years, and I believe I was like 10 or 12 back then. It was like 96 or 97 when these appeared. And it was really like a dream watch for me. It still is, but now I can finally get one. So let's try to slide it out carefully, not to damage anything. And here we go. This is it. PRT 40, the original ProTrek triple sensor model. This was, I believe, the third model that was introduced in '96. The original and first ProTrek or triple sensor model was in '94. And this one was the first Casio to use an auto light switch, meaning that you can turn the light on, and then once you tilt it to your face, it's gonna light up. And look at this beast. I cannot explain how many times I was standing in front of that store looking at this in the window. Wow, whenever I had like a shorter class or something like that and waiting for my bus to take me home, I would go there, and it took me like 2 miles to get to that store, and I would just spend every second looking at this watch, imagining playing with it and everything. Then I would run back to the bus. And now finally, after only 25 years or so, it's finally in my hands. And it's in actually a pretty decent condition. I mean, these are very old, and usually they're pretty beaten up, but this one actually looks okay. There's some lettering missing here, but pretty cool nonetheless. Okay, let's put this on my wrist on this replacement strap, but like I said, I already ordered not the original one, but there is a company that makes these replacement straps, and this one is pretty similar to the original, but the lettering is different, colored in a different way. Okay, so here it is on my 6.7 inch wrist, and it really is a beast. This is one of the geekiest and sci-fi looking watches I ever saw. From the first moment I saw it, I fell in love. Look how short it is lug to lug, but width is incredible because of all these exposed sensors. Very cool. I loved this multicolored screen. I loved the layout. Wow, this is amazing. I will be doing a full review, maybe even a tutorial on this thing after I spend some time with it, and this is probably gonna be the most worn watch in the following months. Let's go through the modes real quick. It's got alarms, it's got a stopwatch, and I believe it's missing a countdown timer, which is a kind of weird for a Casio watch, but still very impressive. This is the compass. Wow, just amazing. I'm not holding it level, so it cannot react to my inputs. Oh, and oh, with this you have to press it every time and then it readjusts. Right, now I remember. Wow, very, very cool. The backlight, let's try the backlight. Now that's a serious backlight. Yes, none of that LED spotty things. A full screen backlight. Very impressive. Wow, this is such a cool watch. Now allow me a couple of minutes to open the strap, put it on a strap that's more suited for this watch, and then we'll be right back. Okay, here we go. So I put it on this strap, which is almost like the original, but on the original this was done in white color. Here you have the green one as well. Very cool. And I believe this was the first triple sensor in the first Casio that had the ProTrek inscription on the strap, because the original also had it. But look at it, how beautiful it is. I mean, it's so ugly, it's beautiful. I always loved this watch and I can't believe I finally got one. What I can't believe even more is that it took me 25 years to finally get one. Amazing. Anyways, thank you for watching this and for being part of me realizing my dream and getting my first ever Grail watch. As usual, stay tuned for the full review and probably a full tutorial, although I don't know how many people are going to be watching those tutorials because these are really not that common anymore. Very cool. Looks like it came out of a sci-fi movie of the 80s or 90s. Incredible. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.